The urban local government bodies. Our today's topic is the civics lesson number 4. It is the urban local government body. So it means this government bodies, which are that government body. So we are going to learn at city level, because now we are a Badlapur. Badlapur, it is also a kind of city. So as per whether it is a metropolitan cities or the village which is growing into towns. So at that time, which government body should be there? So we are going to learn. Then later on, town into cities. At that area, what kind of government body should be there? And the next one is the cities to metropolis. City to metropolis, matlab kya? So for example, if it's now Kalyan, okay, sorry, Delhi, Mumbai, these are what the metropolitan cities. So where more so this that Nagar Panchayat, the municipal council and the municipal corporation, where we are supposed to establish, at what circumstances we will establish this. So today we are going to learn. So here the urban local government bodies. So urban local government bodies are the Nagar Panchayat, the municipal council and the municipal corporation. So student, it is very important as in the point of the exam, that name the following, write the local government bodies at urban level. So you should be answerable the Nagar Panchayat, the municipal council, the municipal corporation. Okay, students. So here the we have learned. So the facilities and the problems in cities, because we all are living in cities. We are getting a lots of facilities. Well, along with that facilities, we are facing some problems also. So students, in the chat box, write what kind of facilities you will get in the cities. Write in the chat box fast. Now you are in city. What kind of facility you enjoyed it? Very good. That electricity, that you will get the 24 hours electricity. Well done. Good. That you will get the opportunity for the business, opportunity for the job. Well done. Good. Well done, students. I'm very happy that you are such kind of facility. You are knowing it and you all are enjoying it. What a public transport. Good. See, students. What I am trying to see, you will get public transport facility at village level also. You will get the job facility at the village level also. So what you are going to write? More opportunities in the job, more opportunities in the industry. So don't be think that you will not get the opportunities at the village level. You will get the electricity at the village also. But the here what? You get the electricity so frequently. You will get the opportunity so frequently. So don't be compared that key only in cities we are enjoying this kind of facility. We are enjoying at village level also. But in cities, we are getting a lots of opportunities. So these are the facility. That's why I was see in facilities, or even in your textbook also, they are saying that in facilities that we are giving opportunity for industry and business. We are getting a more opportunity, because in cities you will get one clothes shop. You are getting many clothes shops instead of one clothes shop. If you wanted to purchase a dress, you can visit so many shops. So here opportunity for even you can expand your business also, because you are getting a more market to sell your products. So the opportunity for industry and business, expanding service factor. Service factor means what? That you are getting a proper, suppose you wanted to go to Mumbai. Now you be having a train facilities. So isn't it that in throughout the day we'll get only 5 trains or 6 trains? No, we have a frequency. After 20 minutes, after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, we are having train, and easily within an hour or within 1 hour, 30 minutes, we can reach to Mumbai. So in the same way, service factors are opening. Now in this pandemic situation, the trains are not working. But still some people, they wait for a job. Why? Because we have the transport facilities. Okay. So these are the expanding service factor. Even the doctor, if you wanted to go to any clinic, if suppose you are not happy with the service given by that doctor, you directly take the second opinion. It means we, like in cities, we have expansion of the service factor and a large scale opportunities for jobs. Yeah, we are getting a large opportunity. Suppose you are working in one business suppose now you are working in one industry. You are working in one industry, and due to some reason, if you wanted to change that, you can, because in a particular area there is a n number of industries are there. So it means that there is a large scale opportunities for job. Okay. Then the availability of facilities, entertainment, art and culture. Yeah. Entertainment. If suppose you wanted to go to, if you wanted to go to a theater for to see the movie, you can go. If you wanted to go to any theater to see a play, you can go. And if you wanted to join the dance class, you can. It means the availability of the facilities, entertainment, art, and culture. Okay, these are the facilities that we are enjoying in cities. But if you are enjoying various facilities, there are some problems also in cities. That's are the shortage of housing. Really, it's because everyone is getting opportunities for the jobs. Everyone is getting opportunity to do their business. Even that we are having lots of facilities for the education, for art and culture. So definitely all the peoples, they are migrated from their native place to the city area. Okay, so it means that there is a shortage of housing. That's why the people they started to make they started to build the huts, or because of that the slum area get there is a slum area get in some certain area you can see the slum area. And even very good Tanisha karke raha, the problem of the wastewater, very good. Insufficient space, that you are that the space is insufficient. Traffic congestion, really. If in the evening if you'll go in the Badlapur station, if you wanted to come up that the Badlapur station road, it will take 15 to 16 minutes. Why? Because of the traffic. Because of this traffic. So here we having the problem of traffic. And even we have a problem of the how will disposable of the wastewater. Because in the month of July, that we have faced the flood problem. The main reason behind it is that we are not, the water is not disposed properly, so it causes the flood. This is the main reason. Okay, so that we having the problem of the disposal of water, increase in crime. You cannot see a lots of crime in the village, but you heard of very lots of crime in a city area. And as I discussed, that there is a large proportion of population, because mostly in city area you can see the in slums area. Okay. Now the first part of that urban local government bodies is the Nagar Panchayat. Is what the Nagar Panchayat. And where we establish this Nagar Panchayat, a village is becoming the town. A village is becoming the town. At that place, we form there a Nagar Panchayat. Might the people you all are get heard about the Murbad. That Murbad is neither a village nor a city. So at that place, there they establish a Nagar Panchayat. It means that where we establish Nagar Panchayat, where the village is becoming to town. Okay, and in this area, means here the minimum member in the Nagar Panchayat should be 9, maximum 15. Maximum 15. And the election we held in this Nagar Panchayat after 5 years. When we conduct the election in the Nagar Panchayat after 5 years. And whoever the people elected in this Nagar Panchayat, among them, one is elected as a president and the vice president. Because see, in our state of Maharashtra, how we have the chief minister and the vice chief minister, in the same way, and to carry out the work of the Nagar Panchayat, there is a person, the office bearer. That person is the president and the vice president. And see, the difference between the office bearer and the officials. There is a great difference in between this. In a chat box, give me answer of my question that after 5 years, that office bearer, that chief minister and the president can be changed. Now tell me, can Tukaram Munde can be changed as an IAS officer after 5 years? Right? Yes or no in the chat box? No. Okay, no. Well done, Vedika. That we knows that Tukaram Munde is an IAS officer. Well done, good. He cannot be changed after 5 years as an IAS officer. Why? Why? Why, dear? Because this IAS officer, IPS officer, the government appoint that people by giving the exams, so they cannot be changed after 5 years. Take the example of minor. Take the example of the mine only. See, now I am a teacher. After 5 years, 10 years, no one can change my designation because I have passed that exam. But the chief minister can be changed after 5 years, and the education minister can be changed after 5 years. So these are the main difference between office bearer and the officials. Whatever the decision is taken by the president, all the activities are done by and look after by the executive officers. Okay, dear. Now the next one is the municipal council, just like our Kulgaon, Badlapur, Nagar Parishad. So municipal council in Marathi, it is a Nagar Parishad. Ours is the municipal council. So in this municipal council is same that the election is conducted after 5 years, and we knows that might be you have that he is the Nagar Sevak of our area. So Nagar Sevak means what? Nagar Sevak means what? It is an corporator. Nagar Sevak means what? Corporator. And we see they stand for the elections. We give them vote, and one of that is elect that whoever won that election is as a corporator. And among that corporators, they appointed one as a president and the vice president, and the minimum member in municipal council is 17 and maximum is 38. And the same office bearers are president and vice president, and the officials are chief officers. Okay, then this in the all the problems, all the work carry out, all the problems and work carry out by the president. This president is not the president that we have. Who is the president of our India? President of our India. President of our India, students. Very good, Arnav Gag. It's Ramnath Kovind. So Ramnath Kovind they will not carry out the work of Kulgaon Badlapur because they are the president of our country. And here the people who are taking all the activities is done by the president, and president we are elected who won the election in the Nagar Parishad, and among that people one is appointed as a president and the vice president. And here Nagar Parishad, that our Kulgaon Badlapur Nagar Parishad, they divide their work into two parts. These are the discretionary function. Discretionary function means the main function. A discretionary function, it means that it is, just I am taking my words back. Okay, there are two functions. It's a obligatory functions and the discretionary function. Obligatory function means a function that they have to solve that first. These are the obligatory function and the discretionary function. Obligatory function means main function means what they have to provide us water within any circumstances, means they will whatever they wanted to do they do, but they will provide us water, they will provide us electricity. Okay, these are the main functions. Even okay, so I guess you know what is mean by the obligatory function and the discretionary function. Obligatory functions means a function just like they have to give light on the both the side of the road. They have to provide the drinking water facility. They have to think about the public hygiene. Now in this pandemic situation, you are seeing the municipal council, they are sending one vehicle that everywhere all the buildings get they are spreading the medicines, or they are means due to that the people or the infected building, especially the infected building, or the number of corona patient is more in that particular building, so nearby that building we sanitize that building. Okay, such kind of things, it means what they are thinking about the public hygiene. And even in the morning you will see the people, they are cleaning the roads. These are the public hygiene. Sewage disposable, in every morning that one garbage van comes and they took all the garbage from your house as a sewage. And the registration of birth, death and marriage, these are the obligatory function. Discretionary functions means these are the additional facilities that they have to provide it. The first one is that when you will go in the uh, Ramesh Madi or in the Bharat College area. Okay, in that Bharat College area, you will see the art gallery, and if you'll go ahead, you can see a big ground is built by the Ghorpade. So there you can the small kids can play. Even there is a football ground. I guess the some people they have seen a very huge football ground. They have built by the Rajendra Ghorpade. So these are the facility has to provided by the municipal council. The students give answer in the chat box that teacher we have seen that. Yes sir, Nora, you have enjoyed that. Very good. It means you have seen. Well done. That when you are on the path of that Bharat College, you will see the art gallery. If you'll go ahead, there is a big ground. Now there is a one more ground that towards our school. If you'll go towards there, Gauri Hall, then you will see that that one also. That beautiful ground they have built. It means such kind of. These are what the discretionary function. These are what discretionary function. Well done, good that you had done a competition in that particular area. Okay, but now this Nagar Panchayat and the municipal council. Okay, if suppose the all these function, if wanted to build a art gallery, if they wanted to build a ground, from where they will get the money? because itna sab karna hai, so that you need a money. Okay, so how you will get that money? That we all are paying the taxes, not we all are, that your parents are paying the taxes, that property tax, education tax, water tax, tax on market, various for the municipal council, they are collecting taxes from the people, and even the state government is also giving some kind of money to the municipal council to carry out their work. Just take the example just now, in the pandemic situation due to the corona, the state government is giving some sort of money to the our Kulga Badlapur Nagar Parishad to to take the care of the corona patients. So it means that the grants from the state government also we are getting in. Okay, students. So here we are done with the Kurga Badlapur Nagar Parishad. Okay. Now here the municipal corporation. Here the municipal corporation. When you are here, you will see this picture. Okay. In this picture, you will see that it is a municipal corporation of Mumbai. It is a municipal corporation of Mumbai. And here minimum and maximum member is depend on the total number of member, is depend on the population of that particular area. See, there is a municipal corporation in the Ulhasnagar also, and the Kalyan Dombivli also. Okay, and if you'll go, Thane Municipal Corporation is there. If you'll go ahead, Mumbai, that Greater Municipal Corporation is there. Mumbai Municipal Corporation is there. But everywhere corporators are different. Everywhere the number of corporators are different. Why? The reason behind is that the number of population. If the number of population is more, then the corporators are more. Okay. And the head of this municipal corporation is the mayor and deputy mayor. And just like officials is the commissioner. The official is the commissioner. And listen, student, it's a very important that the first municipal corporation was established in Mumbai. It is a very important, as in the point of the fill in the blanks, where first municipal corporation was established. It is in Mumbai. Have you seen this picture? This is the picture that there we have established our first municipal corporation. And where we established this municipal corporation, where there is a service to the people in the big cities. Where there is a big city, there we establish a municipal corporation. Okay, and the here there is a committees, because if the we establish municipal corporation in a very big area, in a very big area, so that it means that we need a corporation. So here in municipal corporation, they forms a committee. That committees are the education committee, health committee, and the transport committee, and the various other committees. Okay, so that all the committees they are working, all the committees they are working for their best. And the administration, the municipal corporation, the municipal commissioner, the official, he is the head. He is the he is the head of the administration of the municipal corporation. Okay, dear. Then he is responsible for the implementation, whatever the decision is taken by the corporation. Okay, then who? Commissioner is the responsible to carry out all the work. And the same way, sources of the revenue of the corporation. Sources of revenue means what kind of work, if they wanted to do the work for the betterment of their area, so they need a money. Same, the people, the house tax, property tax, water tax, profession tax, entertainment tax means raising loans. Okay, state government tax, it means that these are the sources of revenue. Revenue means what? income. Revenue means what? It is a income. Okay, so here we have done with the 3 activities. Okay, student, here we have done with the 3 government bodies, that urban local government bodies, that they how they carry out their work. We have seen this now here.